Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylist channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Aprilia RSV4 Factory 2022 gets new ultra-dark livery. Aprilia S line of sport bikes and naked bikes generally use the company's black and red colors, linking their street models to MotoGP and WSBK. While the Aprilia black livery is a signature look for the brand's high-performance platform, some riders opt for a more mysterious style. And, to satisfy this group, Aprilia has just released the RSV4 Factory 2022 in the ultra-dark color theme. In 2021, Aprilia made many changes to their flagship sport bike. Supported by an increase in engine capacity from 1,077 cubic centimeters to 1,099 cubic centimeters, the revised RSV4 pumps out more horsepower, 217 horsepower at 13,200 RPM, while reducing its carbon emissions to meet Euro 5 standards. However, Aprilia doesn't just improve the powertrain. Having learned from the RS660 development process, Aprilia integrated the RSV4 biplane winglet into its double-wall fairing. The shift improves engine cooling, while maximizing stability at high speeds. Likewise, the new MotoGP-inspired swingarm is now lighter and features a reinforced bottom support for increased stability during hard acceleration. Ohlins Smart EC 2.0 is also present in this sport bike, delivering the best performance and comfort on and off the track. A new LED headlight design, a larger TFT display, and an enhanced ride-by-wire throttle system complete the latest generation update. Of course, the RSV4 Factory 2022 receives all of the same upgrades, but the paint option is what sets this ultra-dark version apart. As with all superbike lovers, after finishing watching a successful MotoGP season, many fans are found muttering to themselves, "Man, I wish I could own that bike." If you're an Aprilia Factory fan, the RSV4 and RSV4 Factory is the closest thing you will find to a full-fledged MotoGP machine in their entire 2022 model lineup. Last year brought a brand new engine to the RSV4 family in the form of a 1,099 cubic centimeters inline-four capable of laying down a heart-stopping 217 claimed horsepower. Along with numerous overhauls to their entire lineup last year, the RSV4 brothers saw updates to their aesthetics in the form of MotoGP-inspired winglets for added downforce in addition to a major over-facelift. To experience the full force of Aprilia's performance catalog, the Italian motorcycle designer offers a factory edition with upgraded performance parts to increase handling and maneuverability. The RSV4 Factory is Aprilia's top-of-the-line model in their entire 2022 lineup, and it has the added bonuses to give it a leg up when compared to the standard version. A bigger TFT dash gives you more visual real estate to control Aprilia's Performance Ride Control (APRC) system, utilizing a new Aprilia ECU and 6-axis inertial system for added computational assists depending on your rider modes. The Factory Edition also brings lightweight, forged aluminum wheels, semi-active Ohlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, and Brembo Stylema brakes to boot. The matte black color keeps things simple, but a touch of gold adds an Italian flair. Forged aluminum alloy wheels, RSV4 badge, Aprilia logo, and tail unit receive a refreshing splash of gold. Even Ohlins suspenders also complete this new color scheme. While the understated paint and decals are new to the RSV4, the ultra-dark livery harks back to the 2006 RSV Factory 1000R. Unfortunately, Aprilia has not announced the price of the RSV4 Factory Ultra Dark. However, she will join the standard Aprilia black colorway in 2022. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 starts at $18,999 $20,995 Canadian dollars. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory starts at $25,999 $27,495 Canadian dollars.